Imagine driving through the Nevada desert and suddenly finding a forest where the trees are cars. Today we're exploring Goldfield International Car Forest, one of the strangest and most colorful roadside attractions in the West. Guess what day it is?
I believe it's travel day.
It's travel day! Woo, woo, woo. Out in the wide open Nevada desert, just outside the historic mining town of Goldfield, there's a place where rusted metal meets wild imagination, the Goldfield International Car Forest. At first glance, it looks like something out of a dream, or maybe a Armageddon movie set. Cars, trucks, and vans stand frozen in time, many of them planted nose first into the desert floor, pointing towards the sky like strange metallic trees growing from the sand. But this isn't junk, it's art. Created by artists, including Mark Rippie and Chad Sorg, the Car Forest was designed to be an ever-changing outdoor gallery. Here, creativity has no rules. Visitors are encouraged to explore, photograph, and sometimes even add their own artistic mark to the vehicles.
Alright, I think a little work will get this one up back and running. He's getting some pictures. Hey. Out in the middle of nowhere. Oh wait, there's the town of Goldfield. How do you suppose that bus is just hanging there? Gotta be cemented in. Yeah, someone come up there and painted all that. What is this, a Lincoln Mark 8 or Mark 7? Got the 5-liter in it. Kind of a cool little stop if you guys just driving through.
car tells a different story. Some are splashed with bright graffiti and surreal murals. Others sit weathered and rusted by years of desert sun and wind. You'll find painted skeletons, cosmetic landscapes, political messages, and abstract designs covering the metal canvases. And the silence of the desert only adds to the atmosphere. Standing among these towering vehicles, you can hear the wind move across the open valley. In the distance sits the historic mining town of Goldfield, once the largest city in Nevada during the early 1900s gold boom. Today, that history blends with modern creativity here in the car forest. It's strange, it's colorful, it's a little chaotic, and that's exactly the point. The Goldfield International Car Forest is a reminder that art doesn't always belong in galleries or museums. Sometimes it belongs in the middle of the desert, surrounded by sagebrush, where rusted cars become sculptures and the imagination runs completely free. For travelers, photographers, and adventurers exploring Nevada's backroads, this unexpected roadside attraction is proof that even in the most remote places, creativity can take root. And in Goldfield, even the cars grow like trees.
See what's up here. Okay, this could be your home. Yep, you could wake up to this view every day. How cool. Go find us a boat. Look at that. It's an airboat with what appears to be an airplane engine. Alright, looks like this one's seen some better days. Flat, but oh so shiny. Spider. Shut the door. Nope. It's been here a while, I believe. Lost her Jeep. Someone lost their Jeep. Lincoln. Yeah. It's an old Ford van. That big block in there. Maybe it's not a big block, but it's a big motor for a little van. This is Blue Van Dan. This is right up his alley.
That's the end. Ends with a big old Raiders bus.
Yeah, Los Angeles Raiders.
Huh.
I'm going in.
Go on in here. Take a video.
Alright, any LA Raider fans out there? Oh. No. This we could make into a home. This is a bus. I'm gonna drive one of these things. I am driving a bus. Alright. Well, there you have it. The car forest, vehicle forest. That's pretty cool. If you like this kind of stuff. It was good. That would make a home.
That would make a home?
Yes. The seats are still nice. They must have just put that.
Yeah, it looks pretty new.
Yeah.
All right, well.
Seats aren't tore up or anything.
Cool. So how'd you like that tour?
I liked it.
The International Car Forest.
I tried to say the name walking this way. I couldn't remember it.
International Car Forest in Goldfield, Nevada.
Yep. Something about the first church or something.
Yeah.
Church property.
I don't think it's church property. I don't know. I guess we'll have to read the sign again.
Have to read the sign. Figure out something. Well,
all right, guys.
Let us know what you thought of that adventure.
Yeah. A little adventure.
A little one. Just a little offshoot.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on the next adventure.
All righty.
Peace, guys.